Could a single 870-page law quietly move your 401k more than the Fed's next rate hike? Give me 3 minutes and you'll see how the brand new One Big Beautiful Bill, call it OBBB, might hand you fresh gains or gut your bond fund. First, what just happened? On June 4th, President Trump signed OBBB into law. Think of it as a legislative smoothie. Tax cuts, spending spikes, and regulation rollbacks all blended together. Headlines and numbers: $350 billion poured into defense and border gear. 26 million small businesses get a bigger deduction, jumping from 20% to 23%. CBO warns the package could add $3.4 trillion to the deficit over the next decade. That's a new credit card swipe of $930 million every day. But wait, more debt usually sinks markets, right?
Skeptic noted. Here's the data. 1. Stocks. Defense primes, oil rigs, and nuclear builders already popped the champagne. Lockheed, Halliburton, and BWX Tech all up after the vote. Lower tax bills boost earnings, bigger Pentagon checks juice revenue. 2. Bonds. Treasury's about to dump a mountain of new paper. More supply plus bigger deficits equals higher yields. Long bonds could bleed. Stick with 3 to 6 month T-bills and floaters. 3. Gold and crypto. A wobblier dollar lit a fire under hedges. Gold kissed record highs. Bitcoin woke up after a sleepy June. Treat them like fire extinguishers. 5 to 10% of the room is plenty. 4. Commodities. Expanded drilling leases could cap oil prices long-term, but short-term, the $350 billion defense splurge means more jet fuel, steel, and copper demand.
So what's the one big idea? Position for fiscal fireworks, but heads the fallout. My personal playbook: overweight U.S. value stocks tied to DC contracts and energy infrastructure. Think ETFs like ITA or direct names you research. Underweight 10-year treasuries. Use them only for dry powder once yields settle north of 5%. Own 5%-ish gold or GLD IAU slice. Mix in Bitcoin if you can stomach the swings. Barbell your cash, park half in high-yield T-bills, deploy half into tax-favored business gear before January to grab OBBB's 100% instant expensing. Quick recap: OBBB is like turbocharging today's growth while stealing tomorrow's gas. Great till the fuel bill arrives. Play the beneficiaries now, shield against bigger deficits later. Hit follow for Open Wealth Code because the next money printer is already warming up. Catch you then. Let's turn Wall Street whispers into wallet upgrades.